Hello and welcome to MYK English. So in this video you will learn how you can introduce yourself in English. I will teach you how you can talk to another person or introduce yourself to someone else in English. So before diving in, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel to get more updates. Thank you so much. So without wasting of time, let's dive in. So let's consider there are two people. So let's start this conversation from she. So suppose the first person is she. She says, "Hi, what is your name?" Then another person respond, "Hi, my name is Sam. What is your name?" She says, "My name is Emma. How do you do?" "I'm good. And you?" She says, "I'm good too. Where are you from?" "I'm from New York." "Where are you from?" She says, "I'm from Spain." "How old are you?" "I'm 22. And how old are you?" "I am 25. Where do you live?" "I'm from New York. Where are you from?" She says, "I'm currently in Melbourne, Australia." "What do you do?" "I am a teacher. I work at a school." "What do you do?" "I work at a bank. I am a bank manager." "What does your father do?" "He is a doctor." "Great. What do your parents do?" "My father is also a teacher. My mother is a housewife." "How many siblings do you have?" "I have 3 younger brothers and 2 elder sisters." "Great, I have just one younger brother." "What do you like to do in your free time?" "I like to read books." "Great, what is your favorite book?" "My favorite book is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People." "Great. What are your hobbies?" "I like hang out with friends and playing video games." "Sounds good. Nice meeting you." "It was nice meeting you. Hope to see you again." "Yes, why not? Thanks. Take care. Bye." "Take care. Bye." So in this way you can introduce yourself in English easily. If you have any questions or queries, you can let us know in the comment box. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel MYK English to get more updates. Thank you so much.